Hello, beautiful soul. When you are setting up your email templates, one of the things you want to do is use custom values for populating things like first name when you're saying hello, Timmy, or hello, Chris. I'm going to show you how to set that up. And I'm also going to show you how to use the same for workflow automations. So let's get started by sharing my screen. Okay, so you're looking at is the email templates under your emails here under marketing. So on the left, I selected marketing. I went to emails. At the time of this recording, this is where I am. And I'm going to just pick one of these test templates that were created once upon a time. I actually don't even know what it looks like. So we're going to take a look together. Okay, so let's say this was one of the templates and see how it says, excellent question, first name. We want the first name in here to be populated automatically. And to do that is I just deleted that text here first. I'm going to go up here and I'm going to click on this icon, which is for custom values. If you hover your mouse over it, you're going to be able to see that it says custom values. That's the one you want to select. And you want to go to contacts. And from here, you want to select first name. As you're doing that, please be sure that you are not picking user from this list because user is your users for your OneTech platform, which is basically you and your team who is creating templates and things like that, not the recipients who are receiving these emails. All of those are considered contacts. So please be sure that you use the contact and not the user fields when you are setting this up. And that's it. You're going to hit save template. And when this goes out, it is going to replace that with the first name of the person, this custom value with the first name of the person. Okay, so the other thing I want to show you is I'm going to hit the back button over here and we're going to go to automation on the left. And if you have a workflow automation, let's look at a test one. I'm sure there are plenty of test ones here, so I'll just take a look at this one. Okay, so here we already have some action here, but I just want to go up here and set up a send email automation action step. And you'll definitely populate from name. I usually say Timmy from Simplify One Thing. From email, I'm just going to pick my email. Subject line, I'm going to say whatever you want to say, your free gift or something. Your free guide. Okay, so under the body of the email, I'm going to click on this tag over here, which is custom values again. So I am going to click on this and right here again, I'm going to select contact and I'm going to say first name. So now it can say, hi, contact first name, congrats, getting started, something like that. So when this workflow runs, whichever lead it's running for, whichever contact it's running for, it's going to replace this with the first name of that person. So be sure to hit save and publish, and this will be good to go. Just like that, you know how to do it both in the email and also in a workflow automation if you're sending text-based emails directly from a workflow.